Good?
Yep.
Good? Oh my God, it's underneath there.
Oh, they finally opened that. Yesterday, Nate and Addie ducked. They ducked the rope and went there.
No way.
Yeah. And they decided to go under right as the ski patrol guy was going over the top. And then they got yelled at by some old guys, and they yelled at them.
Well, that makes sense.
Well, they both yelled at each other. The old guys are yelling at them, and Nate and Addie yelled back. I want to do this.
Oh, it's not the whole way down. It's like halfway up there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Off the trail. Huh?
Yeah, I remember exactly where they ducked.
Yeah, probably right on that.
Yeah. You are right, dingus. Good job.
Way.
Come down this way. He's behind you. Oh, baby.
What?
Ooh, that looks a little hairy up there.
Nah, it's fun.
Yeah, but the rock.
It'll be fun. We got the extendable poles. What?
What? What are you talking about?
Like poles that you can extend to different lengths.
Oh, wow.
Dad, have you seen the video on Instagram of like the guy, he's skiing and he like loses an edge, he goes flying off the trail into like dirt?
I have not seen that one.
Okay. There was like a little hole of water back there that reminded me of like he hit that, like it hit a hole of water like that, went flying. Oh God.
Yep.
This guy's out of his.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Jerry.
I have no idea what he's doing.
Jerry. Uh-oh.
So,
I think I saw that guy in this park yesterday.
okay.
That guy. Oh, you can see the old gondola lift line.
Oh, neat.
Okay.
That lift has got like empty chairs on it. How's that possible?
Where?
Up there. You see that one tower?
Yeah. What chair is that?
High Peaks Quad. That was the one we hiked up to.
Yeah, no, I remember, totally remember it. Did you try those trails over there at all?
No, we didn't go over there. 'Cause I don't know how to get there. I think you could get there from the gondola, but I don't know.
Can you
I'm
get
sure
there
you
from
can get
over
her
here?
from here. You can take it
I
right.
mean,
I was
probably.
just gonna say, it feels like you could go over that way.
Who knows?
Where would you say you spent most of yesterday, bud?
Adirondack Express.
Oh, really?
Yep. 'Cause that's where the park is.
Oh, okay.
So we're just doing that all day. So if that doesn't open today, then
Pretty sad.
yes,
Sorry.
I will be sad. It was nice. I took a video of it yesterday. They were running it like way faster
Oh, really?
than they usually do.
What does that one typically run?
800, 850. This one yesterday they were running at about 1,000.
Wow.
Which is necessary because the lines are so long. But it was like, so good.
It's looking very Christmassy up here.
Yeah, for real. But the tower dropped some water on me. Oh yeah, I think you can get over there.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Now.